Oh, hi everyone. This is Bill's CPAPClinic. Today I'm working with a brand new piece of technology for 2015. It's intended as wearable technology when you sleep to take care of your snoring. Now, how does this little thing work? Well, according to the manufacturer, Inlands, they say slip it on, turn it on, and experience a gentle pulsing massage while you go to sleep. And if you snore in the middle of the night, the massage comes back, distracts you from your snoring, and puts you right back to sleep again. What could be better? So simple, so easy. Right on your wrist. New. The Sleep Nurse from Inlands for 2015.